Good idea, SOG knives and tools, everyday carry gadgets right here. This one is Rapid Rescue and this is Rapid Edge. So let's unbox it and see what's about. First edition packaging over here. Hopefully I can open it without cutting the actual product. I prefer whenever they put it in a box, but oh well. So there is instruction, just grab and pull. So grab it right here and pull. Wow, beautiful. You know what's crazy? This is actually quite comfortable. If I need to open up boxes, break apart boxes, that's nice. And also, I would put on maybe my bag out bag or maybe on my keychain. It shouldn't come off really easily. You actually have to pull on it quite hard. So that could be a pretty cool keychain gadget as well. So let's see what's the difference with this one. It's a little bit different. Okay, same thing. I really like the color of it. Oh wow, there's a window breaker. This one doesn't have a window breaker. So this one is a little bit cooler, I think. This is a Rapid Rescue. Just pull on it. Oh wow. This one was a bit easier to pull open. I don't know if it's a consistency reason or just because there's just different little bit design. Yeah, this one is definitely much harder to pull on. Okay. As you can see, this one is like a Rapid Rescue. Maybe you have it on your, I don't know, somewhere in the car, so that way you can take it off real quickly and break the seat belt or whatever. This is why there is no sharp edges unless it's on the inside right here. That's what it's called. And I guess you grab it this way and break the window. That's pretty cool. I would maybe hang it somewhere in the car or wherever, like maybe on the keychain as well. I like that. Just two very unique different tool set here. Both super cool. I enjoy whenever they make new stuff. Boom. There's also different colors. I don't know, for some reason I picked red. Thought it was looking good on black.